In the last 20 years, social media and smartphones have completely changed the way we communicate, work, and spend our free time. Today, billions of people around the world use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube every day to share photos, videos, and opinions with friends, family, and strangers. Social media has many advantages. It allows people to stay connected with friends and family who live far away. It is also a powerful tool for sharing information and news quickly. Many small businesses use social media to promote their products and reach new customers without spending a lot of money on advertising. However, social media also has serious disadvantages. Many people spend too much time on their phones and become addicted to checking their notifications and scrolling through their feeds. This can affect their productivity, their sleep, and their mental health. Studies show that spending too much time on social media can increase feelings of anxiety, loneliness, and low self-esteem, especially in young people. Another problem is the spread of false information, also called fake news. On social media, anyone can publish anything, and it is not always easy to know if the information is true or false. It is important to always check the source of the information before sharing it. Despite these problems, social media is now a fundamental part of modern life. The key is to use it in a balanced and responsible way.